Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the AKLOT Tri-Metal Artistry B-flat trumpet. We already unboxed this, so let's get it opened up and set it all up so we can get it ready to play. This trumpet is made of carefully selected materials like phosphor bronze, copper nickel, and lacquered gold brass, which gives clarity, warmth, and professional edge when we use this instrument. The 4.9-inch phosphor bronze bell gives a deeper resonance that gives this advanced trumpet a rich overtone and broad dynamic range, and the resonant quality gives the sound a vocal-like presence that carries clearly through the rehearsal rooms, halls, or ensemble settings. It is also built with durable Monel pistons that offers a smooth valve transition and supports both technical agility as well as expressive phrasing. This premium trumpet also features a unique double bar support system that offers enhanced stability and control for the player. This not only improves the instrument's durability, but also helps maintain consistency in the tone and the pitch. I love the clear lacquer coating on the outside of the trumpet that not only protects the instrument surfaces from tarnish, scratches, or regular wear and tear, but it also gives an elegant feel to the instrument, featuring gold, rose bronze, and silver accents. Once we get all of the parts oiled and ready to go, we're so excited to be able to play this and show you what it sounds like. If you are in the market for an elegant, high quality trumpet, this is definitely worth looking into.